The King of Hearts Royal Wonderland
Uh,
burger. Dip it in some ketchup.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Like corn on the cob.
Instead of pulling it off the skewer, Bree's just going in, corn on the cob style.
Good.
Day 4. We got a rainy day here in Cozumel. We are docked next to the Jewel of the Seas. Folks still making their way out to the port. We got Margaritaville, Tequila Go-Go. We got the Ada Bella in port with us today, and just peeking over the top you can see the whale tail from the Carnival Breeze. And MSC Seascape is supposed to be here with us somewhere, but I have not seen her yet. There's a little front from Carnival Breeze over there. So overall uneventful, rainy day in Cozumel. I think tropical storm / Hurricane Sarah just came through here a couple days ago. Looks like they're still getting some remnants. But weather's supposed to be bad today and tomorrow, so I don't anticipate us getting off here or in Roatan, but we shall see. So since we decided to stay on the ship, we figured we'd take advantage of the extra port hours at Adventure Ocean, drop the kids off, let them have some fun, and we wanted to explore some areas of the ship that we really hadn't had a chance to check out with the kids in tow. First stop, we went over to the Cask and Clipper and grabbed ourselves a couple drinks. Pretty cool atmosphere in here. Crystal got herself an espresso martini, and I grabbed myself these Voodoo Rangers, which I hadn't really had before, but they were actually pretty darn good. Then we decided to check out the solarium. I had been through it when I was touring the ship, but Crystal hadn't seen it yet, so we decided to take a walk on through and see what we can get into. So Wonder of the Seas was the first Oasis class ship to have the fully enclosed solarium. I think Radiance class ships have them as well, but as far as Oasis class, Wonder was the first, and I know Utopia has it as well now. But it's really nice to have a fully enclosed solarium in case it rains. There was plenty of room in here today, and I don't know if it's because we were in port, if it would have been different had we been at sea. But there's plenty of loungers, there's plenty of places in the pool to hang out, and it was an overall really cool, chill, relaxed vibe. Very different from the main pool area here in the solarium. After that, we made our way out here onto, I believe it's called the King of the World Bridge. Really cool, unique vantage point. I get some nice shots out here. It's a little balcony type area that is right above the wings of the bridge on either side of the solarium. I believe it's only open when you're in port, but get some really cool shots from here. Some really nice views of the port as well as the coastline and whatnot. We got some nice views of the Jewel of the Seas there as well, and just was something that I really wanted to try out, and I'm glad we're finally able to get out there to check it out. You can see the cantilever hot tubs over there as they hang over the side of the ship, which is really kind of cool as well. So we finished our tour of the solarium and walked around the ship a little bit, mustering up the courage to go pick up the kids from Adventure Ocean because we had reservations for Wonderland for Crystal's birthday. She was super pumped about checking that place out, and I was really intrigued by the menu as well. So we're going there next. Walking into Wonderland.
Mom can sit in.
All right, you guys paint the menu. Let's see.
Ah, he's right. It actually does show up.
Awesome and that.
That's really cool. And like it doesn't even affect the paper that bad.
All right, let's see what we got.
It's Alice in Wonderland. I like Alice in Wonderland.
All right.
I like it.
Maddie with her rabbit ears. We got a great view too, down onto Boardwalk.
It's so pretty.
Liquid lobster. All right, Bree is gonna try liquid lobster. Let's see it.
You want to see how I did?
You like it?
Good.
What does it taste like?
It's like a mug. It's like a mug. I can't explain it. It's like hard to explain. Daddy, want to take a video on me?
All right, Maddie, let's see your fork. Dude, look at that thing. That's crazy. All right, show me how you eat a piece of fruit.
Oh, that's pineapple. She's never had it.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Can you say hi?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so this is the tomato water.
You're gonna drink that.
Maddie's gonna go first.
No, she's not. All right, let's go. Mommy's gonna
Okay.
try the tomato water.
water. Are you ready? Drink it. That is weird.
Weird?
Yeah, it's weird. It
Weird
does
good,
taste
weird
like
bad.
tomatoes, like in the background. With a little bit of the pepper flake in it.
All right.
Okay, who's
We'll have to give it a shot.
I'm not.
All right. We'll try the tomato water here.
What do you think?
It's not bad like everybody says, but it is weird, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
It almost
Thank
tastes like
you.
a cold soup kind of.
Yeah.
Weird, like a weird kind of flavor. I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not, it's not the worst, that's for sure.
The mozzarella.
Caprese salad.
I'm
All right.
going to try the caprese salad. We mashed it all up like they said to do.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it kind of looks like beet salad.
Looks like baby food now.
I'm gonna have some special green stuff over here. Okay, try.
It's not wrong.
It tastes just like caprese salad.
Does it really?
It really does.
Oh man.
Yeah, it really does. It's actually very good. It's delicious.
All right, I have to get in here and try some. All right, Bree's gonna try the caprese salad. Let's go, girl. Try it.
I'm so
Just eat it.
Just take a good bite. It's so good.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, I mean I love it.
I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Would you eat it? Would you take another bite or no? You would? All right. Let's see.
Here we go again.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Ready.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. It's called a
Wow.
sauce is a Scotch bonnet home mixed with sriracha.
All right.
Okay. I forget what they call them.
Smoky egg. I don't know. The
Smoky egg.
avocado puree.
Yeah. You can taste the avocado and the smokiness. It's actually very good. I
Okay.
like it. Kind of campfire type taste.
All right. I could smell the smoky. That's the best part. All right. We'll try one of these other ones. Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay.
Give this one a shot.
All right. Let's see. It's weird.
Weird.
It's weird.
That one's not for you, huh?
No.
All right. Hey, we finally found something we didn't like. All right. All right, let's try this. I'm going to try one of these shrimp. I'm going to dip it. I'm going to go into the sauce here.
Ooh, hear that crunch?
That's very good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. It reminds me of coconut shrimp with the texture,
Oh, yeah.
but minus the coconut flavor. It's very good, though. Very good. Yeah, Bree's going in for the shrimp. You could even dip it if you want to, Bree.
What?
I dipped it and I thought it was good.
That was super good.
Super good. Do you like the crunchiness?
Mm-hmm.
Good flavor?
It's like shrimp with a little crunch to it. It's super good.
Good. All right. Another fan favorite.
You can have like you want more shrimp or anything.
That's the way he said to do it. He said, get some of this ice. Maybe I'll pull some of the ice off. Then there's this tuna tartare in here, he said. Get some of the ice on there with it. Let's see. The ice makes it almost taste frozen initially. It's so cold. And all you can taste is the tuna, and then you get a lot of the lime right off the rip. It's really good, though. It's a nice little like palate cleanser, almost feels like. Try one. Yeah, it's a good combo. What he said to do is if you can try to get a little bit of the tuna that's in there and the ice on the spoon at the same time, that would be best. And if not, just eat at least the ice. Try to get a little bit of each. That's good. And get a little bit of the ice. Let me know what you think.
Tuna is a fish, right?
Yep.
Mom,
It's tuna tartare. We'll explain what that means later.
Yeah. I don't really like it.
Didn't like it? Okay. No problem. All right, give it to mommy and see if she wants it. Let's see what you got here,
I'm
Crystal.
gonna do what you did. Tuna tartare. Ice is already melting. Yeah.
Yeah, good,
that's
right?
Very good. Yeah.
It's like just the right amount of lemon.
Yes.
I'm sorry, lime.
It's got a little zing from that.
Yep.
It's very, like you said, very cleansing, very,
It's like a palate cleanser, yeah.
very refreshing.
All right, Maddie Rowe, let's see you do it.
Thumbs
What'd you
up,
think?
thumbs down.
Good ice? All right, good job. Let's see it, Maddie. Is it good? Does it taste like salad? Yeah. All right, Maddie Rowe, let's see. Go ahead.
What do you think?
Is it good? Tell Daddy. Tell the camera. How does it taste?
Good.
Yeah? Do you like it? What's it taste like?
And chicken nuggets.
Tastes like chicken nuggets? Are you sure? All right. Are you going to eat more? You don't like it? Go ahead.
So I have the a burger. What's it called? The King of Hearts Royal Wonderland burger. Dip it in some ketchup.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Like corn on the cob.
Instead of pulling it off the skewer, Bree's just going in, corn on the cob style.
Good.
Oh. So this is the halibut with a mushroom and also baby potato inside. They're sushi together.
Awesome. Okay, thank you. It with some mushroom sauce. Very good.
Halibut's good.
Tender,
Mushrooms in there too.
flaky, tender, so yummy.
That's what I'm talking about. All right. All right, Maddie Rowe, go ahead. Let's see you take a bite. What do you think?
A little bit crunchy.
A little bit crunchy. Yeah.
Is it good popcorn chicken? You like it?
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. All right. We got one.
Oh, look how
Sugar
cute.
bears.
That is so cute.
And this one they call it a forbidden apple.
Ooh, forbidden apple.
Because not yet. It's not done yet. Okay.
That,
Okay. I'll get to put something first to make it done. Okay. Ready? This one is the word made of 80% dark chocolate and served with hot sauce. Ready?
ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow. Do you see what's happening? It's melting,
It is
melting.
So the word is made of 80% dark chocolate. Inside is chocolate mousse with peanut butter, salted caramel ice cream, caramel popcorn, served with hot caramel sauce. Okay. And this one is the mushroom garden. The red mushroom is a pistachio mousse with red peach glaze. The pink one is a meringue mixed with cayenne pepper and peppercorn. The soil is mixture of red velvet, chocolate, and pistachio. And the ice cream is a mango sorbet. And this one is the forbidden apple, is raspberry and blackcurrant mousse with lemon curd and coconut dakwa inside, yogurt ice cream on the side, and coconut butter crumb on the bottom. And this one is good.
This one is okay. Thank you.
All right, let's give it a
Okay,
shot.
I'm gonna give it a shot. This is around the world. I think you said, or the world. Oh, that's so good. The peanut butter is not too strong, which I love because peanut butter is not my favorite. It's delicious.
All
So
right.
good.
All right, Maddie, let's cut a piece off for you here. Let's cut it right down the middle.
Ah, yeah. Get it. It has ice cream?
Yeah.
That looks so delicious. Oh my god. Wait on my plate. It will.
All right, now you eat it and tell me what you think.
I'm so embarrassed.
No, you don't like it? Oh boy. All right.
Madam, please don't let the house tonight. Everybody wants to have a good time. Celebration time, come on. It's a celebration. Celebration time, come on. Dancing queen, the queen of the tambourine. Oh yeah. Ole, 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 and uno, and dos, and 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Krista. Birthday to you. So we definitely enjoyed Wonderland. It was a great experience for at least one time. I'm not sure about the repeatability of it. The kids, it was hit and miss. Bree definitely enjoyed it a lot more than Maddie, but to be fair, Maddie is the world's pickiest eater. So, keep that in mind if you book a reservation there with your kids or anything like that. We spent a little bit of time on the promenade with some live music, and then the kids couldn't wait to get back to the room to see if they had a towel animal, and our stateroom attendant did not disappoint. So we added him to the collection. Like and subscribe for day 5.